Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to the Geek Suite. I'm your host, the one and only Kidner Bean, and we're back in my chair because even though COVID-19 is rampant, life goes on. Alrighty, my lovelies, as promised, today we're going to be covering 5 side hustles you can do from your bed, or, in my case, the infusion chair. Alrighty, my lovelies, let's get into it. And of course, be sure to hit like and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our delicious Geek Suite content. Alrighty, and the first thing that you can do right now is to go to mturk.amazon.com. Mturk, or Mechanical Turk, is a reference to a machine back in the early 20th century that amazed people in that it was a machine that could play chess, and that it was supposed to be fully automated and the first instance of AI. However, they learned that when you opened the bottom of the machine, there was really a person holding a magnet moving the chess pieces to imitate artificial intelligence. Now, Amazon has taken that and turned it into a website where researchers get to post simple tasks. Some of them take a minute, some of them take longer, and you earn real money doing these tasks, anywhere ranging from a penny for a short task or a couple dollars at a time. It's not a lot of money, but it's something you can do right now to start putting cash in your pocket to help bridge that gap. Now, there is a caveat in that you need to be authorized to work in the United States, as they will ask for your Social Security information, signing up for because they will take taxes out of it like you would any other job if you make over a certain amount of money. I believe it's $600 in a calendar year. So, unfortunately, my international lovelies, this one isn't for you. It used to be, but it no longer is. Alrighty, let's move on to side hustle number 2. Alrighty, so side hustle number 2 is actually based on an idea that I got watching the Financial Diets video, 12 side hustles you can do from your bed. And while I definitely recommend watching that video to get some ideas, not all of their suggestions are currently COVID-19 friendly and would require you to interact with the public in one way or another, be it by selling your clothes or it's other items like that, which is definitely something you can do on websites like Poshmark or Letgo, but that's definitely not something I would recommend during COVID-19, and it does require some amount of human interaction. However, there is something in the world of craftables that I am interested in bringing up because it's something that you can do to both better yourself and better the community. If you're crafty and you have a sewing machine, I definitely recommend going by Joann's, as they are giving away donations of fabric and sewing supplies to people who are making PPE or personal protective equipment during the COVID-19 crisis. So you can make masks and sell them to your friends, but ideally you would be making these masks and donating them to your local medical workers. It doesn't have to be masks. You can use these materials to sell other things and open an Etsy shop. It's always a good way to make money online. And if you have an Etsy shop, you can ship the items and not have to interact with people face to face. Now, my first 2 suggestions were ways of making active income while working from home or in bed, or your infusion chair if you're me. This next one, number 3, is going to be a form of passive income that you can do, earning money by doing things you already do. And this is by using the shopping app Honey. It's a widget or a search bar technical thingy that you add to your search bar on Google, and any of the online shopping that you're already doing, it will find and compound any available and valid coupon codes to make you save as much money as humanly possible, and it will give you a percentage back on your purchases. Now, I know that a lot of ads have been going out about things like this lately, and they've recently teamed up with PayPal, but if you use my code link here, you and I both get $5 back instantly. And this isn't one of those scammy things. It actually works. I've been using Honey for a little over 2 years now, and since I am homebound, I do most of my shopping online and have it delivered. But I've actually gotten something like $50 back in gift cards that you can redeem for places like Amazon, Walmart, Target, etc., etc. So it's definitely something good to use if you're going to be doing shopping online, which I definitely recommend. Don't go into the stores if you don't have to. So this is a way for you to get your cash back on money that you're going to spend anyway. Alright, so now we've covered 2 active ways of making money and 1 passive way of making money during COVID-19 if you're homebound. Let's go on to the next couple. And speaking of online shopping, another good way to make money is to be an online, or in this case it would be over the phone, customer service representative. And a website that you can use to search for jobs available for that is called liveops.com. I'll have the link written out here and a clickable version in the description section down below. Customer service reps, now it's not always a fun job, but it's an easy way to make money and you don't have to go anywhere. A lot of these places will reroute the calls to whatever phone number you give them, so that way you can help people deal with simple customer service questions over the phone and earn money while doing it. Alrighty, my lovelies, rounding out our top 5 side hustles you can do from home is going to be online proofreading or tutoring. And depending on your skill set, you may choose to do one or the other. I personally am an online proofreader. I work as a third-party contractor for various websites doing things like proofreading captions and subtitles. It doesn't pay a lot, it's only a couple $100s a month, depending on how many projects I'm willing to take. So if you're interested in things like that, I got my job by looking through proofreading gigs on LinkedIn and Glassdoor. And for those of you who maybe have tutoring skills or want to help educate people, using things like Wisant for language tutoring is a great option for people who speak another language, or if you only speak English, there are plenty of clients on that site looking for conversation partners in English. So as I mentioned, my lovelies, I'll be leaving links to all of these sites down in the description section down below to help you guys get started and getting that dough while you stuck at home. Alrighty, my lovelies, that's all I've got for you today. I hope this video really helped you guys. I know it's very difficult living through COVID-19 right now for a lot of people who can't work from home, so hopefully these little side hustles will help fill the gap. Be sure to hit like if you liked today's video and hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our delicious Geek Suite content. Thank you so much for watching, my lovelies. Stay home, stay safe, and I will see you all